Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Redmi 13c is updated and running smoothly, because split screen relies on system stability and memory. Once done, open the primary app you want to use, then tap the Recent Apps button or gesture to view multitasking. Make sure gestures or the navigation bar are set how you like in Settings right arrow display, because this changes how you enter split screen. Now, with the app visible in Recents, you're ready to trigger split screen and pick the second app. Once the first app is pinned to one half, you choose the second app. This is where you control workflow. Tap the split screen icon on the first app's card in Recents, then select or open the second app from Recents or the app drawer. This fills the other half. You can drag the central divider to resize windows for more space or focus, and make sure to use app pairs if you want faster access later. This arrangement keeps both apps active and responsive for multitasking. To finish, adjust the middle handle. Swap apps, resize, or drag fully to make one app full screen. That ends split screen. If you want to close it, drag the divider completely up or down or press home to exit. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone first. This clears temporary memory and then clear recent apps. Make sure restrictive battery or app permissions aren't blocking background activity in settings, because that often prevents split screen from working reliably on some apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.